What's going on, folks? It's Mr. Bucket List here, and I just want to give a quick review here of the Mosi Science After Dark. Let's check it out. Okay, so just going on some of the quick facts about this event. So this is an adult-only event. It is basically 18 and up. It's about 3 hours, usually from about 6 to 9 p.m. And it is a limited event, so it's not every week or anything like that. They have random Fridays out the year that they do this event. And then as far as what this event offers, so one, you get to have the entire museum to yourself. So I mean, all adults, only adults. But two, they have a lot of vendors. So it's mainly food vendors, but then they also have like other vendors as well. Like they had Busch Gardens, for example. They had the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. But the main event is the food and the drinks. So essentially, I mean, they had places like BJ's, Mellow Mushrooms, Nothing But Cakes, just different places like that were really good, like Matt's Famous Cookies, all these different places where you can try different foods, including places like Caraba. So local vendors and also like nationally known vendors as well. And then like I said, they also have some alcohol samples as well, like beers and things like that, and wines and liquors and things. And like I mentioned earlier, so you also have the entire museum to yourself. So all the different exhibits that set this museum that's usually taken over by children, you can try it out as adults. So it's pretty cool. And that does also include the planetarium as well. Now, I'll be honest, with the planetarium show that they had here, I did not like it whatsoever. It was this guy telling a story, and he had like little drawings and stuff. It was horrible. But I went back to the planetarium and actually did this event right here, which was amazing. It was so good. Oh my God. So I highly recommend seeing a regular planetarium show. Don't see this one. If you go here, don't come here for the planetarium show. It does suck. And I mean, no one clapped at the end of it. We just got up and walked away, and it was hundreds of people in there, so it wasn't just me. But there's other things as well, as far as like free massages, just anything you can kind of think of, different vendors that will kind of showcase their services. It was samples here and there to kind of get you accustomed to what they offer, and if you're interested in buying it, like on your own or whatever. So like I said, this is just gonna be a quick review. I highly recommend this event, at least it's just to try it out one time if you have the free time and free money and stuff like that to do it. It's definitely worth it, especially if you've never been here like myself. This is my first time going here, and going here as a regular paying customer, I probably would have hated it, but as an adults only a night with food and drinks and stuff like that, it was fantastic. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this review. This is Mr. Bucket List, and I'll see you soon.